KONNWEI as its brand, Shenzhen City Jiawei Hengxin Technology Limited Company Limited, was founded in 2006, which is mainly manufacture automotive OBDII diagnostic scanner, car full system automotive tool, and automotive battery tester and heap-up display OBDII tool, and car battery charger, and so on car accessories. Our factory has its own research and development team, which can customize and produce products for customers. Since its establishment, 17 years, we have been providing OEM, ODM services to customers all over the world. We have built a global network to work closely with our customers to meet their needs faster. We have implemented a comprehensive quality control system, relying on advanced instruments and equipment, perfect quality control system, experienced managers, and senior engineers. We can effectively meet the changing needs of customers. We always adhere to the tenet of providing customers with the most satisfactory products and services, and provide KONNWEI technology and services to customers all over the world. All of KONNWEI scanner are verified with Bluetooth CE, ROHS, MSDS certification and test reporter. Until now, our customers are around all over the world, especially Europe, Asia, South American, North American, and so on. KONNWEI products are used to display and sell on supermarket, online shop, offline shop, etc. places. Join us now. KONNWEI technology will creative miracle.